I'm not an audiophile, so whatever I say in this video may not match to your expectations if you're an audiophile, but for most of the people this review should hold good. Disclaimer being said, let's get started. So I have been using these TWS earphones extensively from months now, and this is my review of boAt Airdopes 441. First thing first, let's talk about the sound quality of these earphones. These earphones come with 6mm dynamic drivers, but low specifications not always translates to bad performance, and same goes with these truly wireless earphones. You guys might be already aware that boAt is known for their bass heavy earphones and speakers, and these TWS earphones are no different. You get the thump in your ears while listening to music, but the good thing is that bass is not over exaggerated, so you are getting enough bass where it's needed. But the songs where bass starts thumping and other instruments also start playing in the background, in those songs you will feel that bass is overshadowing the background instruments, which is not good but acceptable at this price point. However, vocals never got muddy because of bass, and songs where bass was not prominent, in those songs instrument separation was nice and I was able to hear each instrument separately, which is great. But I always felt that these earphones are not loud enough. Don't get me wrong here, these earphones are loud but not very loud, so keep that in mind. But the overall sound quality was good enough and you cannot expect more for the asked price. So from my side, sound quality gets a huge thumbs up. But the most surprising thing about these TWS earphones was call quality. Generally budget TWS earphones cut corners when it comes to call quality, but that was not the case with these buds. Person at the other end never complained about my voice was not getting cut or fading out while taking calls, and I was also able to hear other person's voice clearly, which really surprised me. So the mics on these earphones works really well. Now let's talk about the battery life. This case has a Type-C charging port and it takes around 2 hours to completely charge it, and each earbud comes with 35 mAh battery, and this case has 500 mAh cell through which you will be able to charge earbuds completely for almost 4 times. boAt claims that earbuds itself will last you for 5 hours when fully charged, and I was able to get around 4.5 hour battery backup. So once your buds are fully charged, you can watch a 2 or even a 3 hour long movie in one go without worrying about battery, which in my opinion is really great. Talking about binge watching, comfort is also very important, and these TWS earphones never disappointed me. I was able to wear them for hours without any problem, but I had to play around with different earbud sizes for a comfortable fit, so keep that in mind. And these earphones have touch controls. Single tap on either one will play or pause the music, double tap on left or right earbud to jump between tracks, and triple tap to invoke the Google Assistant. But I always prefer physical buttons over touch controls because of that haptic feedback, but that's a very subjective thing. What do you guys prefer, physical buttons or touchpads? Let me know in the comments below. On the connectivity front, these earphones come with Bluetooth 5.0 and it supports AAC and SBC codec. You have to pair it manually for the first time, but once it's done, it gets connected to your phone as soon as you open the lid, and you don't even have to take the earbuds out from its case. Range was also decent, connection was stable, but it tends to get disconnected when I went to other rooms, so range was not that great, but as long as you're in the same room, it works fine. Now lastly, let's talk about the build quality. Earphones and the case itself is entirely made of good quality plastic, and plastic is easily scratchable. And you can see scratches clearly on this case. On the very first day, this case looked very premium, but now sadly it does not look premium at all. But this red lining looks really cool and gives these earphones a unique look. And in case if you don't like the red color, you can get these earphones in other colors as well. But the weird thing which I noticed was these pins. As you can see that earbuds have 3 points for charging, but on the case you get only 2. And it's not with my unit only, my friend also has the same earbuds and his earphone case also has 2 pins, which is really weird. Another thing which I did not like is that the case cannot be opened with one hand, which is kinda annoying, and magnets are strong, but once I accidentally dropped the case and earbuds came out from the case, which is worth mentioning here. Apart from this, you can see that earbuds are not very small, so it will pop out if you have small ears, which for some people is not acceptable at all. So if you have small ears and you don't want your earphones to pop out, then you should probably skip this one. And that's pretty much it for this video. So if you're looking for a budget TWS earphones, you can consider buying this one. And if you purchase this during sales, you can get it around 2000 rupees, and at that price you will be getting a really nice sound signature, excellent call quality and a decent battery backup, but with a scratchable case. And boAt has been into audio products from very long, so they know what they are doing. So when it comes to budget audio products, I would prefer audio products of boAt over Xiaomi or Realme, but that's what I feel. You may have a different opinion about boAt. Whatever it is, let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions regarding these earphones, then also comment. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, then do consider subscribing to my channel. I am Ravneet signing off for now, and I hope I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, keep watching.